A very good morning, dear students. Students, in our previous class, I have completed the explanation part of advertising chapter, right? And children, today I will be discussing all the objective type questions, all the question answers, short answers, long answers, everything we are going to discuss in today's class. And children, with the help of flowchart also, I will show you today one flowchart. So with the help of flowchart, today we will revise this chapter in short, and then I will be discussing all the book exercises question which is there in your book, and all the notes related to this chapter, children, I will be sharing in the school app. So children, you can check your school app. You will find all the notes related to this chapter over there, and please complete this all this work which I am sharing today. Is that clear? So your work should be updated, and children, please write in good handwriting or try to avoid mistakes. Is that clear? Understood, everyone? So children, come on, let's start our today's class. So children, come on, everyone, be ready with your book. Yes. See children, chapter 6, that is advertising, right children? Yes. So children, can you see this flow chart? Yes, everyone. Children, yes. So see this flow chart you have to complete in your fair notebook. Is that clear? So on left hand side on a white page you will write down, and even children, if please color it also. Is that clear? See, now children, advertising is divided into four parts. One is types of advertising, objectives of advertising, techniques of advertising, and advertising and regulation. Right? So first we will see what is advertising. So children, advertising, it refers to the promotion. For what? प्रमोशन ऑफ what children? किस चीज की प्रमोशन की जाती है? एडवर्टाइजमेंट किस चीज के लिए होता है? फॉर द प्रमोशन ऑफ गुड सर्विस कंपनीज एंड आइडियाज. और ये किसके थ्रू किया जाता है चिल्ड्रेन? यूजुअली डन बाय एन आइडेंटिफाइड स्पॉन्सर और एजेंट. And children, every advertisement it seeks to convey a specific message. Okay, हर एक एडवर्टीजमेंट में चिल्ड्रन हमें क्या बताता है? कोई मैसेज होता है about a thing or an idea. And advertising involve different types of media also, and it also uses different types of techniques to attract the customer attention, right? To draw the customer's attention. So what are the different types of media it uses children? For example, newspaper, magazine, radio, television, internet. Okay, and there are many more. Understood? So these are the types of media through which all these ads are shown. Is that clear? And there was, and children, in the ancient time the advertisement was mostly done by word of mouth. Is that clear? And printing developed in the 15th century. Okay, and it was only after that children advertising expanded to included even handbill. Okay, and children, today advertising has changed even further with guerrilla promotion. Now what is guerrilla promotion children? Different types of technique which used by the company, okay, to attract, to draw the people attention. So what are the so there are different techniques also, that also we will study. Okay, now types of advertising children. See, can you see on the flow chart? First topic, types of advertising. Okay, so children, advertising can be done in simple manner also, and if the some thing is newly opened, okay, so it can be done very in simple way also, or it can be sometimes very complicated also. Okay, in the case of a product launched by multinational company, so that advertisement can be little bit complicated also. And children, advertisement also has a two basic purpose. One is to inform, okay, about the product to all the people, all the customers, and the other purpose is to persuade. Persuade means what, children? To make the customers, people ready to buy this product. Is that clear? And children, advertising can be of different kind. One is commercial advertising, right? Second is social advertising, and third one is political advertising. Now commercial advertising, children, it is done for promoting the product and services, right? And for example, children, in commercial advertising you can see them on the billboard, printed flyers, okay. What is printed flyers? Like brochure, okay, then magazine, newspaper, radio, then broadcast, cinema, TV channels, web banners, pop-up, stage shows. Okay, so everywhere you can see this. Okay, so all these things comes under commercial advertising. Then second is social advertising. What is social advertising, children? See, the advertising technique used to promote commercial goods and service can also be used to inform, educate, and to motivate about non-commercial issues such as human equality. So it gives importance, this advertising, to human equality, health and hygiene, energy conservation, deforestation. Okay, and this social advertising, children, it is also called as public service advertising. So children, please remember that social advertising is also called as public service advertising. Understood? And third is, children, political advertising. So what is political advertising, children? Political advertising is one of the means by which political parties, children, candidate and other socially active group reach out to people. Or that means this political advertising is uh, related to the political parties, especially during the time of elections, children, right? So many political ad you can see, okay, when the elections is going to come. Okay, so there are different types of advertisement. So you can see advertisement in the form of posture also, handbill also, wall writing also, radio also. On this political ad you may see, then on TV also many messages are given. So all this comes under political advertising. So you have to remember that political advertising is related to the means parties. Okay, that means political parties for the during the time of elections they used to advertise. Is that clear? Now we will talk about the objectives of advertising. Now children, and what is the important objective of advertising, children? Mostly what it want, why this advertising is shown again and again, that means they want to increase the demand for the product, right? And they used to communicate information about a particular product, service, or brand. That means this product is launched in the market, so the customer can go and buy the product easily. Is that clear? So everything is informed, that where to purchase it and how to use this product. So everything is informed. Then second is persuasive. Persuasive means what, children? Persuasive means to make the customer or the people ready, okay, to buy the product. That is called as persuasive. Okay, persuade people to buy the product. And third one is, children, reminder. That means to show the ad again and again. Okay, means बार बार उस ad को दिखाना कि लोगों को वो ad याद रहे. Okay, और लोगों को पता चले कि हाँ ये जो प्रोडक्ट है वो मार्केट में अभी भी अवेलेबल है. Okay, so for that it is necessary to remind, to show that this product is available. Understood? And the customer should go and purchase that product. Is that clear? Then different techniques of advertising, that also we will study. Okay, now techniques of advertising. Actually the advertiser may use many different techniques, right, to convince the public to buy a particular product. Okay, so the advertiser may convince the public, okay, to buy this product quickly. So what are the different techniques, children? First is repetition, that means showing again and again the ad, okay. So some advertisements simply attempt to make people, children, remember the brand name through what? Through repetition, okay. So, and second is bandwagon. Now what is bandwagon, children? This means the advertiser, children, it try to convince a buyer to get bandwagon, that means to buy this product quickly, because uh, for this product, for this good, there is a very it is too much demand in the product. So मीन्स आप इसको प्रोडक्ट को मिस ना कर जाएं, ओके, इसका स्टॉक खत्म ना हो जाए, क्योंकि ये प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है, ठीक है, सभी लोग इसको खरीदना चाहते हैं इस प्रोडक्ट को। तो इसीलिए इस प्रोडक्ट को आप तुरंत खरीद लीजिए, नहीं तो ये आपके हाथ से निकल जाएगा। इज दैट क्लियर? तो इसको कहते हैं हम बैंड वेगन। सेकेंड इज टेस्टिमोनियल, चिल्ड्रन। नाउ चिल्ड्रन, टेस्टिमोनियल मीन्स जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स को, जैसे कहते हैं कि टेस्टेड प्रोडक्ट है, ओके, जैसे हमने कोलगेट का देखा था, हमने एग्जांपल्स लिया था, राइट। सेवलॉन की बात की कर ली जाए, ओके। सो ऐसे काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मार्केट में हैं, ओके। जैसे देखिए हमने बहुत सारे जैसे डव का ऐड ले लीजिए, ओके। तो कुछ एक्चुअल यूज़र है कि हाँ, ये कहते हैं 7 डेज चैलेंज करने के बाद ही ये प्रूव है, ओके, कि इससे काफ़ी लोगों को फ़ायदा हुआ है, ओके। तो ये सारी चीज़ें कि वो टेस्टेड प्रोडक्ट है, तो इस तरीके के भी ऐड हमें देखने मिलते हैं, राइट। So that is, so advertiser often attempt to promote their product to recommendation of actual users or experts or both. Understood? For example, children, 3 out of 4 dentists have recommended this. Okay, जैसे हम सेंसोडाइन वगैरह की भी बात करते हैं, काफ़ी इस तरीके का एड हमें टेलीविजन्स में, ओके, या हर जगह हमें देखने के लिए मिलता है। नेक्स्ट इज टू पुट अ प्रेशर, अंडरस्टूड, by attempting to make people choose quickly and without long consideration. So some advertiser hope to make rapid sales, okay, जैसे कोई ना कोई हम ऑफर देते हैं, ओके, 70% ऑफ, 50% ऑफ, 7, ओके, उस तरीके का, या बाय वन गेट वन फ्री, इस तरीके का जो है हम एड दिखाते हैं कि लोग ज़्यादा समय ना लगाए उस चीज़ को सोचने के लिए और उस प्रोडक्ट को तुरंत ही खरीद लीजिए। देन थर्ड इज अपील टू emotions, okay. So appeals are often your children used in public service messages and products. So to create a fear in the public, okay, has to, as a, for example, to show some ad related to health, for example, health insurance, okay. So उस तरीके से जो है वो एडवर्टीजमेंट दिखाते हैं कि लोगों को डर लगे और लोग मीन्स और लोग उस प्रोडक्ट को खरीद ले, ओके। ऐसे जैसे सेंसोडाइन वगैरह की भी हम बात कर लिए तो दिखाते हैं ना कि दांतों की झंझनाहट के लिए वो तुरंत ही ठीक करेगा, ओके, तो उस तरीके का। फिर हमें लाइफ इंश्योरेंस की पॉलिसी से रिलेटेड कि अभी हमारे पास समय है, हम उस चीज़ को खरीद लीजिए, मतलब जो भी पॉलिसीज है, तो इस तरीके का। So they are attacking on people's emotion mostly. Next is association, children. Association means what? Try to associate with some desirable images दिखाना, कुछ attractive models की pictures दिखाना, कुछ ads पे, okay. So इस तरीके के जो है impressive images कि किस तरीके से हम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट इनोवेटिव आइडियाज जो है इस्तेमाल करके अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा बना सके। And next is attractive slogan. So some advertiser children even use catchy slogan to attract the attention of the people. Understood? So this was all about the techniques of advertising. Then next is advertising and regulation. So children, advertising today has become a powerful force in shaping the attitude and behavior of the people. And children, there is nothing good or bad about the advertising. It is a tool, right, that can be used in both ways. While it can give some beneficial result also, or sometimes it can impact individual and the society even negatively also. Okay, so advertising plays an important role in the process of human development. And advertising, children, it can brighten up our life, simply by making people happy, okay, funny, tasteful, and entertaining. So, children, have you understood? Okay. So now, children, we will discuss the all book exercises questions. Okay. So, children, please be ready, everyone. See. So for and children, see, after completing flowchart, you write this sum up also. Okay, in your fan notebook. After flowchart, on the next page, you complete this also. And children, give this heading important points to remember. Don't give the heading to sum up. You can give because some important points of this chapter is written over here. So you write down this also. Then after that you will write all these book exercises questions. Okay, so let's start this. Now first question is tick the correct answers, that means MCQ. Okay, now the advertising is mainly done, children, to promote products and services. So what will be your answer, children? The correct answer will be commercial advertising, right? Commercial advertising is done mainly to promote product and services. Now second, dash advertising is also called public service advertising. So children, just now we have seen that which advertising is called public service advertising. That is social advertising, right? Social advertising is also called as public service advertising. Then third, children, an important objective of advertising is what, children, what they want, that what is the important objective we have seen, they what they want, so that their demand for the product should be there. So that means the increase they want, why they are doing this promotion, okay, why all these things are done, okay, why this ad is repeated again and again. For that, that means their demand for the product should increase, the sale should increase. Is that clear? So the your answer will be A, that is increase. Fourth one, an advertising is dash is a technique to attract the attention of the people. So what is that? Bandwagon, pressure, emotions, and slogan. So children, just now we have seen what is a technique to attract the attention of the people. Your answer will be slogans. Okay, so attractive slogans are used to attract the attention of the, or catchy slogans are used to attract the attention of the people. Now next, children, we will discuss short answers. So what is your first question? What is advertising? So first you have to answer what is advertising in first point, and then you have to answer what does it seeks to convey. So, children, first, what is advertising? Advertising, it is the promotion of what? Goods, service, companies, and ideas, usually by an identified sponsor or agent. And what does it seeks to convey, children? Every advertisement, it seeks to convey a specific message, either about a thing or an idea. Okay, so this is the perfect answer for this question. Now next question is, what are the stages involved in guerrilla promotions? So children, what are the stages? The stages involved in guerrilla promotion are stage encounter, okay, in public places. That means, children, at roadside you have seen, if for example you can give the example of billboard, hoardings, okay, so that is called as stage encounters. Understood? Then second point is, children, giveaway of product covered with brand messages. Okay, that means, children, on car, on taxi, children taxis, okay, you can see on the cab it message, some advertisement is shown. On the government buses also some advertisement is shown. Okay, and third is interactive promotions, where viewer, children, can respond to become the part of advertisement messages. Okay, so these are the guerrilla promotion, these are the technique which are used to draw the attention of the customers. Now, third question is, what is political advertising? It is very simple, children. Political advertising is the one of the means by which political party, children, candidate, and other socially active group, that means it can reach out to the people. Okay, For example, children, and this all this political ad is done, children, during the time of elections. You can see this political advertising. And for example, if you want, you can take handbill, wall writing, radio, TV message, and posters, right? Then fourth question, why should there be regulation on advertising? Now, so for that, aggregation children, advertising must be regulated as it shapes the attitude and behavior of the people. And if left unregulated, it may provide wrong information which could harm the society also. So the content, children, whatever the content they are showing, whatever the ad they are showing, it need to be checked so that it does not spread a wrong messages. So that is why there should be a regulation on advertising also. Understood? Now, next, children, we will see the long answers. What is commercial advertising, children? And list the media through which it is done. So, children, commercial advertising is primarily done for what? For the promotion, okay, of product and services. Then, commercial advertising include, that means, children, advertising through billboard, printed flyers, magazines, cinema, newspaper, radio broadcast, cinema, TV channels, web banners, then web pop-ups, stage show, bus stop benches, then sites of buses, taxi cab doors, and train subway platform, reverse of ticket, okay, and receipts and so on. So these are the children media through which it is done. Understood? Means every all through this you can see the commercial advertising. So these were the examples of commercial advertising. Okay, now, so these were the different media through which it was done. Then what is social advertising, children, and what kind of message does it advertise? So children, social advertising is advertising that is used to inform and educate people about non-commercial issues such as human equality, health and hygiene, energy conservation, deforestation, and so on. Okay, so this advertising is mainly done to inform and educate people about non-commercial issues. So जिस तरीके से चिल्ड्रन हमने स्मोकिंग वगैरह का सिगरेट्स का जो है एड वगैरह हमने देखा होगा टेलीविजन पे, सो दैट इज इंजूरियस टू हेल्थ, ये सारी चीजें हमें नहीं लेनी है, ठीक है। सो इस तरीके से हेल्थ से रिलेटेड और जो भी एड्स चिल्ड्रन जो दिखाए जाते हैं, जैसे सफोला ऑयल चिल्ड्रन, ओके, जो हार्ट के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है, तो इस तरीके के जो एडवर्टीजमेंट होते हैं, ओके, so that is social advertising. And what kind of message does it advertise, children? Yes, so social advertising message of faith, compassion, service, charity, health, education, patriotism, tolerance, and so on. Is that clear? Now, third question, children. What are the objectives of advertising? Okay. So, children, just now only we in the flow chart we have seen what are the objectives, children. Yes. So, to increase the demand for the product. So, this the main important point is first is to increase the demand for the product. Then to communicate information about a particular brand, product or service or brand. Okay, that means announcing the launch of product, where to purchase it, and how to use it. So all this it communicate information. Then third, children, is to persuade people. That means to make people ready to buy this product. Then fourth one, to keep the organization in public eye. So that is also called as institutional advertising, right? Then children, next question is, what are the technique used by the advertiser to attract customers? So different techniques also, children, we have seen repetition, bandwagon, testimonial. So these are the different techniques. So that we will, repetition means what, children? Making people remember the brand name. Understood? So by repeating the product so that the people remember the brand name by repeating it often. So again and again they are repeating so that people should remember this ad. Then bandwagon, convincing people to either use the product or it will miss out, okay, or miss out, because for the product, for this product the demand is more in the market, so it's better to buy this product quickly before it is miss out. Now next is testimonial product. So promote the product through recommendation of actual user, experts, or through both. It can be actual user also, or it can be experts. So for example, like celebrities, they are showing also too much ad they are showing. Okay, so उस तरीके से. Next is pressure, asking people to buy quickly before the stocks run out. Understood? So that is pressure. So जिस तरीके से सेल लगाए जाते हैं, जैसे अभी दिवाली आ रही तो चिल्ड्रन यू कैन सी मेनी ऑफर्स. Okay, so what for why they are doing this, so that their demand for their product should increase. Is that clear? Then next is appeal to emotion, appealing to the emotions of the people. Then association, associating the product with something desirable, showing something good, impressive images on that product. Okay, there should be nice packaging and all. Attractive picture should be there on that, so that the people get easily attracted towards that product. Then next is association, associating. Then sorry, advertising slogan. So that means using some catchy slogan. So children, for example, on Coca-Cola, on Thumbs Up, you can see डिफरेंट स्लोगन्स, टेस्ट द थंडर. अंडरस्टूड? इस तरीके का जो स्लोगन है उसमें दिया जाता है. ओके, so children, this that means children, question number B also all the questions are there, and question number C also all the questions are there. No, no, all the questions will come. Understood? No questions are omitted, only hot questions are not there. Is that clear, children? And rest everything is there. Nothing is omitted in this chapter. Yes, children, just wait. So, children, have you understood? So, today, children, with the help of the flowchart, we have revised this chapter, and again, through question answer also, we have revised, right? So, children, please complete your work in your fair copy. So, all these notes related to this chapter, I will be sharing in your school app. So, please check your school app and complete it. I want that your work should be updated. There should be no pending work. Goodbye, children. Take care. Stay home and stay safe.